Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss valuation. Some people call it valuation, some people call it a progress claim, some call it a monthly claim, and other called interim claim. But they all means the same things. As a quantity surveyor, it is very important to understand the valuation clearly. So let's get started.
So this is the project current situation. The this is the amount until the valuation number 14. So we are going to prepare valuation number 15, and this is the project current month situation. The roof covering completed 95%, internal door 65%, and other area. Sanitary and dispose already 100% complete. So this copy I will keep on the comment box so you can read it all. It's very simple. I'm not going to explain all because you can read it. Let's explain the preliminary. So preliminary is the two type of cost are here. One is fixed and another is running. So fixed cost. The fixed cost is like the, for example, accommodation. When project is start, we need to do one time accommodation. Then one time done is finish, and it will be need to do again when the project end. You need to break down and dispose. So that's why you can see the fixed cost. Project start and project end 18 month and 13 month also have, because some fixed costs are after 1 year need to renew, like insurance only available for 1 year, then 1 year finish and need to renew. That's why. And this is the running cost. That's water, telephone, safety, health. This every month need during project life cycle. You can see that it's starting from 1 month to 18 month. How much we already set up, and this is the 15-month preliminary. We need to calculation and need to be make a payment certificate. Let's see how I set up the preliminary. You can see running cost. For example, management staff. Total project duration is 72 weeks, and I divided by 72 weeks total amount. And this is 1 month, means 4 weeks. I multiply and then become this week, this amount. So all are same. When you prepare the preliminary, you can follow up this method. And this is the 15 valuation number amount for preliminary. There is fixed cost and running cost, and this is the total amount. Let's explain about the building work. You can see the substructure. Valuation number 15, November 23 is 100% done. Where I get this information, I already explained. You can see substructure complete. Roof covering 95% done. You can see here 95% done. So similarly, I get all the information, how many percent work has been done from here. This is the total amount for building work until now. For external work, 45% done. Here, This is the variation for the running month. There are two type variation, subject to retention and subject not to retention. And this is that amount, full amount. This information I get from the another source. I'm not going to show that. So this is the material, that material already on site, means supplier already supply until now in the site. This is the material of site. According to contract, some material is still not yet site, but contractor is keep their storage because site is not ready or some other reason, but still need to pay for this month. This is the summary all of the item, and this is the contract sum, and this is subject to retention, and this is subject not to retention. Based on this summary, we are going to prepare the certificate. So this is the certificate already prepared. This is the contract sum. I get from summary page. This one. This is the amount subject to retention and subject not to retention amount from summary page. This two item. So this is the gross value, and this is deduction 3% retention. So this is the amount that already claimed. This is the information until interim valuation 14. This is VAT amount. This is included VAT, and this is the final amount for 15 interim valuation. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any comment or question, please leave them below or mail us for more information. We'd love to hear from you.